I've nipped it all up a bit. So,
Lovely.
alright. Seems alright.
Good.
Yeah. This is sort of coming along now, front end's on. Doors have been on, all lined up and everything.
I remember when that one looked like this one though.
So it's pretty much ready to put a bit more primer on that paint. So,
You'd be loving that though, painting that, wouldn't you? Compared to that one.
well, it'll be a bit easier white. So I'll be painting on the arches and everything.
That roof looks spot on though, doesn't it?
You never know if you will. So it's all been properly spot welded and had to buy spot welded and that. But
It's crazy that. Doesn't even look like anything's been done. Because last time I was up you had the roof skin on the floor, didn't you?
there was a roof skin off it or not?
It
Or was it
was,
still
no,
on?
it was off.
Was it?
Yeah, you took it off. Yep, you took it off and there was a big hole in here, but you could still see the out the framework. So you haven't altered none of that?
No.
No, so you just
took
took
the pure skin on it.
Took this off. Where from? Right from the top?
So, so it was basically you cut them across there. That's where they were on from factory. So the brazed on there and from factory and just across there. And obviously it's just
right.
spot
So the
welded
lip
along there.
goes on top of the windscreen, sort of thing. Oh right, got you.
So there's always something there for it. You had to, like basically when the skin goes on anyhow, you can't get it wrong because
The handguns in one place.
Basically,
So what about these? What did you do with these?
They were left
They're
on.
just left on
Basically,
off
I've
the
got
road.
a mini file that goes in there. You know, just file all the skin out of there. But it was a bit of a bitch, like, but it's just time consuming. And then basically a big spot welder all the way along.
So now we've got a nice sunroof.
So on the sunroof now. Now when there's the inside, I mean you cannot, if you look inside there you would never know it's had a skin on, you know. And we've bonded it on as well, so it's like never
Welded
ever
and bonded.
Welded and bonded.
So it's never gonna just come off.
Oh no.
No.
It's well on.
No, it looks meant. It honestly looks like it's never even been touched.
No. Yeah, I had a few little dents in it, but they've been sorted out.
Have you done something with this bonnet? Prepped it?
It's all been prepped. It was a nightmare this because it's bonnet because we sandblasted inside, and when they sandblast them and the warps them, you cannot tell.
Well, like in the middle is like what?
What do you mean?
Like the warps, and do you mean
Aye,
like
so-
ripples?
See when they blast all this frame,
Yeah.
because that's where the rust, especially around here, the shot blaster sort of hits that and must heat the metal up and it warps it.
Oh, right.
So you get like a dish in there. So basically it was knocked out and just filled, you know.
Got you. It looks mint.
That's all.
It just looks exactly like the other one did, didn't it? They were like at the minute, like. Well, I think that's the hardest bit done now, isn't it? And on the roof.
That's the bit I was
Worried
looking
about.
forward to. So once anyway, it's done now, that's it.
Crazy.
Job's good.
What's next? Just paint it. Primer and paint it.
Use epoxy primer, so then wings will get rubbed down again. And put epoxy primer on. But them wings are a bit rough as well, and just need dents sorting out. But it's hard to get a decent wing these days. You buy them new, they make them now again.
But these are just all what original source ones that you've got in yourself.
Not Ford ones either.
No.
These are the ones that actually came on the car with it.
But they're not Ford.
No, they're not Ford ones. But they'll be right when they're on. When they're done.
Well, that's it. As long as they're right, it doesn't matter, does it?
No.
And then you are going to put the arches on.
Aye. It's just going to look like a standard XR2, but not standard. Roll cage in.
So they're going to be like, they're like Dan's arches, aye? So they'll be colour coded to the car?
No.
No, you're just putting the XR2 arches on?
Basically XR2.
Oh, right. Like Diggy's? Aye.
No,
I didn't know what you meant, whether you meant you were putting the thingy arches on or the XR2
Oh
ones.
no, XR2.
Alright, okay.
All the cages being in, it's all been, all the strengthening points being done on it, and that's all I've done on it.
So is that how else it's been done, Jay, apart from the roof and the primer? I say apart from, like, as if you haven't done a load of work on it anyway.
Welding wise and stuff like that.
Like, like, since I last seen it, since the roof.
It's all paintwork now. The thing I've got to do is I'll probably get the arches out,
and
then I'll line them up and get everything drilled before painting.
Right. I know you're just painting it here, are you? Or? Yeah?
I'll get the bumpers out, line them up and get them, because there's a hole to go in the wing and that.
Alright, yeah.
And just line the bumper up and get it nice and straight, so I'm not drilling the fresh paint now, but other than that, it's just the front arches, the back arches. We made original arches in this, so the arches, the plastic arches just
fit on.
hold
They
straight
should,
on.
anyway.
I've already had them
Oh,
on
yeah.
there.
Good.
Right.
It's all go now, and then once that's done, it's just putting it back together, isn't it?
It's just been, it works at the end of the house now.
Aye. Getting the time to do it.
Well, that's it, isn't it?
Now it happens overnight though, does it? So mind it'll be a bonny sight when the both of them's done though, and
Be good just to have the garage floor painted and the walls painted.
you know you're not doing any more work.
Aye.
You can keep stuff clean.
Aye.
No more painting going on in here.
Aye, exactly. Does me hair, man.
What?
Like dig all the muck and crap that comes off painting and sandblasting, shot blasting. I mean, I took us ages to do it underneath that with the shot blasting, you know. But it's only made to do it proper.
There was a canny bit of like bodywork to do that though underneath, wasn't there? On the bottom.
The wells now, floor. Well, I've kept as much of the original floor in as I could, and just pieced it in rather than putting floor pans in.
Right,
Because it's still got the original floor number and everything, the chassis number on it. So if I got rid of that, I wouldn't do that, you know.
No, I think that's the best thing to do. Like, I just think you'd be able to have a nice like resin floor or something in, or.
We just ordered units, don't we?
Paint the walls or something and all. And then you'd be able to actually put your bikes up on the wall or something, or
I might do.
like your BMXs and that, won't you? Put your tools all to one side. And these two they'll gan far enough over. You'd probably get them far enough over, won't you, to have a decent bit of space.
Definitely.
So is that what you're more excited about? Putting the garage together and then finishing the car?
I want to get to that stage.
Aye. Well, the end's in sight, I guess, now, though, isn't it?
It is, definitely.
And at least you're not painting bonny colours, you're just painting white.
White's easier. It should be.
Watch it be a nightmare.
And reacting
That'll just be typical, that.
runs everywhere.
Aye.
I'll do the shell first, and then I'll do the bonnet and the doors, everything off. I'll just push the shell out. I'll do the doors and everything in there. That's what I've done with that.
I remember you just did it like that. Aye. I'm out of the moon with that. Like, thanks for inviting us today, because
That's alright.
it's. I thoroughly enjoyed having a little trip out in the green machine.
Yeah, I would have mentioned it before, but I didn't think we'd be going actually, you know.
Aye. No, well, the weather's been hit miss, hasn't it? So, but no, it's lived up to expectations. Like, it's done a good little job today.
Yeah,
Sounds mint and seems like it's running right. Like, so
it does.
should be able to get some miles on it. Hopefully, then. So whether it's just local or whatever you're gonna do.
Shame you can't leave them anywhere, because you just can't listen to it.
The woodman.
You only use it for shows.
There's too many. You couldn't just park it on the street or out and leave it. There's too many tow rags. You can't park a transit van anywhere without it going missing, man. Never mind a Fiesta or Escorts or out like that, because he's.
Exactly.
It's horrible.
And,
Like you say though, most people wouldn't know how to start that, so it might be alright.
no, it wouldn't be able to find first gear. Last trouble.